Hey again, it's Brandinator here from HobbyKing and YouTube and pretty much everywhere else online. I'm just doing a quick review and action video of my first RC plane, the Micro Cessna 9 gram from HobbyKing. This is my beat up original one. I got another one on the way. Get my hand out of there. Let's see here. I learned to fly with this one. It's pretty tricky off the bat. But it's real tough, real forgiving, and you can figure it out after a while. I didn't have to set much trim. I don't know if that's my fault or what, but you don't really fly straight much anyway. It's usually just kind of circles and whatnot. The remote takes 6 AA batteries in here, and you charge the plane straight from it using this micro JST plug, I believe it's called. It's got a 1-cell LiPo in here. I'll get more on that a little later. And the remote does have a spring return on it. That's nice. Cool thing is you don't have to worry about frequencies on this. The plane automatically binds to the frequency you're on, A, B, or C. So if I go to A, I turn on the remote, and I turn on the plane, it's bound. So I turn off the remote, turn off the plane, change it to C, turn on the remote, turn on the plane, and it works. Turn it to A without changing anything, no response. So that's cool, you don't have to worry about frequencies. It's very tough. EPO foam, I think. It's real flexible. It's got these nice struts to give the main wing some support. The horizontal stabilizer's got, I believe, carbon fiber rod through it for support, and the chassis, or fuselage, I guess, from planes, has the carbon fiber for support. Infrared receiver here. Nice blue light right there. And the battery speed controller and circuitries in here, I would suppose. I haven't taken it apart yet. It did come with landing gear. My mount has come out and I don't have any foam safe CA yet, so I just fly it without the landing gear. It flies fine with or without. I have been noticing a loss of power, like a lot of the reviews explain. I think it's probably because of the abuse the LiPo's taking inside there, I would assume. It also could be from the brushed motors. I don't know the lifespan of those. But I'll be experimenting with it later. I've got some 50 milliamp hour 1-cell LiPos coming in that I'll be swapping in, see what happens. So that's probably enough of me blabbering. Let's get to some of the action shots. All the videos in this video were filmed on one charge. There might have been a little bit of booster in between there at some point. But for the most part, they're all one solid charge, just to kind of give you an idea. You can see the loss of power as the video goes on. So enough of me, let's get on to the fun stuff.
Cool, Brian.
How's it going, Rob?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Whoa. easy.